Students, we are doing our chapter 7, exercise 7.1. In question 2, we are doing H number now. Okay. So 48x square y cube z minus 36x cube y. So we have to think that which is the highest common factor. So 48 means 12 fours are and 36 means 12 threes are, right? So we will say that 12 is the highest number. So 12 will be the common. So now x square and here cube is there. So x square will be common. Here y cube and here y only is there. So y only is common. So z here is not there. So it is nothing is there. Now what is remaining in this first term? So 12 is taken out. X square is also taken out. So remaining is 4 y square and z. 3 is there, but out of 3 we have taken out 1 as a common. So remaining is only 2 minus 12 is coming out. So 3 is remaining. X cube is there. Here we have taken out x square common. So 1x there. Y is taken out. So it is answer. Now students, I number 2x into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. So now students, if these type of terms are there, so you can clearly see that x plus 4 is a common, right? So write down in a one bracket x plus 4 and remaining bracket 2x minus 3, which is outside in this bracket. So collect them and write in the another separate bracket. So that is our factors, or we can say that is our answer. Isn't it easy? Yes, right? Now students, similar is given 9x into 6x minus 5y minus 12x square 6x minus 5y. So as we know that this bracket is common, so write in a one time 6x minus 5y and rest the thing in the another bracket 12x square, right? This is from this we cannot take out anything common, but here you can see that 9 and 12 both will be something will be common, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So 3 is common. I am directly writing, okay? So 3 will be common. Here x and x square is there. So what is common? Only x. So we can write 3 3s are 9 and x is common out. So remaining is 3 only minus 3 4s are 12. X square is there. Here only x is there. So again x is common. So we can add the factors of that will become 6x minus 5y 3x, or we can add 3 minus 4x. These also you can add ahead also. So instead of these you can add ahead only, right? These are the factors of the given polynomial. Now students, in K number 2 into x minus 2y whole square is there minus 3 into x minus 2y. But students, here 2 times is given, means 2 into x minus 2y, and also we can add 2y by these whole terms we had to write 2 times. So we have written 2 times minus 3 into x minus 2y. Now we can take out this term as a common. So what is remaining? X minus 2y as is common. So remaining is 2 into x minus 2y and minus 3, right? Why? Because 2 is also common and this sum is remaining. So we have taken as a multiplication. So we can write x minus 2y into 2 into x means 2x. 2 into 2y is equal to minus 4y and minus 3. That is our final answer. Now student, next term L into x minus y plus 3m y minus x plus and x minus y square. Now student, here only terms are not properly arranged. So what we can do? We can write that here we are taking out minus as a common. So what will become? It will become minus 3m. Now if we take out minus, then what will become? Minus y and this plus x. So we will get x minus y that we want, right? We have taken out here minus as a common, right, from this bracket. So it will become x will convert into positive and y will convert into the negative, plus and again x minus y raised to 2 means we can add 2 times x minus y and x minus y. Now out of this we can see that x minus y is common in all. So we will write x minus y as a common. So what is remaining in the bracket? L minus 3m plus n into x minus y. Getting this one? Now here multiplication is possible, so you have to go for the multiplication. So x minus y into bracket L minus 3m plus n into x, xn, and n into y become minus n y. That is our final answer. Students, backside answer is given this one, but most probably whenever you are getting this bracket, you have to solve this like this way, okay? So all the time try to make a habit to remove the bracket and solving in this manner, okay? Both are the right. Now next is given x raised to 4 into 3x minus y, and here also 3x minus y is there, so it is common. So we can immediately write 3x minus y is common into another bracket x square plus x cube. Now from this we can take it out as something common. So 3x minus y is common. So here x cube is common. So remaining is x plus 1. Here 4 is there. Out of 4, 3 is taken out as a common. So only 1 is remaining. Here whole thing is taken as a common, so nothing is there, means 1 is there in the multiplication, okay? So answer will be x cube into bracket 3x minus y and x plus 1. That is our final answer. Students, here multiplication is there, so arrangement is different, and there is a not a big deal, as we know that 4 into 2 is equal to also 8, and 2 into 4 is also 8. So if the terms are not properly arranged, but still you will get the same answer, okay? Now what is here x plus y and x plus y is a common, so we write x plus y as a common factor. So what is remaining? 4x minus 5y, right? Now students, what is the main thing? Minus is outside, so 2x plus 3y whole bracket is over. So we can conclude that here 4x minus 5y no problem, but outside the bracket minus sign is there, so we have to change the sign of all. So here plus 2x is there, become minus 2x, plus 3y is there, become minus 3y. Now students, if you will observe here, what you will see, 4x minus 2x means what? Become 2x only. Minus 5y minus 3y is equal to what? Minus 8y, right? 2 and 8 is there, so again 2 is a common factor, so we can write x plus y. 2 is common, so we are writing over here, right, directly ahead. So what is remaining? X minus 4y. That is our answer.